Imagine walking into a country where the public streets feel incredibly strict and heavily monitored, yet the moment you step behind closed doors, a completely different world unfolds. A land where striking, high-fashion women navigate ancient bazaars under conservative laws, but run massive underground businesses, tech startups, and highly influential social circles that surprise every foreign visitor. This is Iran, a nation wrapped in intense political headlines, ancient Persian luxury, and shocking cultural contrasts that the Western world rarely gets to see. Beyond the standard stereotypes lies a society driven by deep human charm, breathtaking architecture, and a young generation that is pushing the boundaries of modern style and digital creativity. To truly understand this unseen superpower, you have to look past the stone monuments and dive straight into the unique rules that dictate daily life. Iran is home to one of the most highly educated female populations in the Middle East, outnumbering men in university classrooms and reshaping the professional landscape from inside the capital city of Tehran. Yet, every single day, ordinary citizens must practice a complex double life, balancing public laws with private freedom. On the outside, morality police enforce specific dress codes, but beneath loose-fitting, stylish headscarves, Iranian youth have turned street style into a vibrant canvas of resistance, high-end cosmetic trends, and individual expression. It is a stunning visual paradox, a place where a silent, elegant revolution is carried out through modern fashion and absolute confidence. But if you think the public wardrobe rules are intense, the real test of navigating this fascinating society begins when you encounter their legendary, high-stakes system of social etiquette, a psychological game known as taarof, where what people say is almost never what they actually mean. To survive daily interactions in this ancient land, you must master the delicate and often exhausting art of taarof, a deeply cultural system of extreme politeness that dictates every single transaction. Walk into a local bakery to buy fresh bread, or step into a taxi to cross the bustling streets of Tehran, and when you ask for the price, the business owner will likely look you in the eye and insist that the item is completely free, claiming that your money is worthless compared to your presence. To an unsuspecting tourist, this looks like incredible generosity, but it is actually a highly sophisticated psychological dance. The social law of taarof states that you must never accept this offer on the first, second, or even third attempt. You must firmly insist on paying, while they continue to reject your money, until finally, after several rounds of intense, respectful negotiation, the real price is revealed and the transaction is settled. This invisible rule governs everything from dinner invitations to high-level political discussions, creating a society where public interactions are beautifully soft, yet layered with hidden meanings that require absolute cultural intelligence to decode. But this fascinating contrast between public modesty and private reality takes on an even more intense form when you step directly behind the heavy metal doors of ordinary Iranian homes. While the public squares are strictly monitored by state regulations, the private living rooms of the middle and upper classes operate like hidden sanctuaries of ultimate luxury and global connection. Once inside, the conservative headscarves are instantly dropped, revealing women wearing the latest Western fashion trends, listening to underground electronic music, and hosting vibrant, high-energy gatherings that completely defy the outside world's imagination. In these private spaces, ordinary citizens maintain a highly sophisticated lifestyle, utilizing advanced digital networks and virtual private servers to access banned global platforms, run digital marketing agencies, and trade cryptocurrency. It is a dual existence where the home represents absolute personal freedom, a sacred space where the ancient, poetic soul of Persia is fiercely protected from the rigid frameworks of the outside regime. Yet, this incredible reliance on home-centered life and tight family networks has also triggered an unexpected modern phenomenon, making Iran one of the most surprising global capitals for cosmetic transformations, where a unique physical trend on the streets has become the ultimate status symbol for the younger generation. This unique physical trend is impossible to miss the moment you walk through the upscale neighborhoods of North Tehran. where you will see thousands of young women and men walking proudly with white surgical tape across the bridge of their noses. Iran has become the nose job capital of the world, boasting a rhinoplasty rate 7 times higher than the United States. In a society where conservative laws require the body and hair to be mostly covered in public, the face becomes the ultimate canvas for personal expression and social status. Getting this surgery is so highly prestigious that many individuals leave the bandages on far longer than medically necessary, just to broadcast to the world that they belong to a modern, wealthy social class that can afford premium medical care. It is a fascinating psychological phenomenon where a medical bandage is worn like a designer badge of honor, proving how the younger generation creatively navigates public limitations to showcase their individual identity and beauty standards. But beneath this glittering surface of modern trends lies a deep, everyday economic struggle that requires a completely different level of human resilience. For decades, ordinary Iranian families have lived under some of the most crushing international economic sanctions in global history, causing the local currency to fluctuate wildly on a weekly basis. To protect their hard-earned savings from devastating inflation, ordinary citizens have abandoned traditional bank accounts and turned into master investors of physical assets. The moment a family secures extra income, they immediately convert it into gold coins, real estate, or foreign currencies kept safely inside their homes. Even the ancient art of the Persian rug has maintained its position as a critical financial asset, with hand-woven silk carpets functioning like premium blue-chip stocks that appreciate in value over generations and can be liquidated during tough economic emergencies. This intense financial adaptability extends directly to the kitchen, where local women manage household resources with mathematical precision, transforming the daily preparation of traditional Persian stews into a masterclass of self-reliance, ensuring that despite heavy global economic blockades, the family table remains a rich symbol of hospitality and abundance. Yet, this profound ability to survive economic storms through tight-knit family networks faces an entirely new test as the rapid rise of digital technology and shifting global connections begin to permanently alter how the next generation views their future inside the country. This digital evolution is rapidly rewriting the future of the nation, as young Iranians become some of the most tech-savvy and globally connected youth in the entire region. Despite severe internet restrictions and local firewalls, nearly the entire younger generation navigates the digital world with absolute ease, using encrypted networks to build international freelance careers, study at global universities online, and export their rich artistic talents to the West. They are a generation trapped between a glorious poetic past and a highly restricted present, yet they refuse to let their geographic borders define their human potential. This fierce intellectual independence is creating a powerful modern counterculture where ancient Persian identity mixes with global digital trends to form a society that is incredibly progressive, highly sophisticated, and unstoppable in its pursuit of growth. Ultimately, Iran remains a land of profound dualities that continuously challenges how the outside world perceives it. It is a territory where the public streets display rigid authority, but the private spaces radiate unmatched warmth, high-end fashion, and deep intellectual brilliance. It is a culture that has survived empires, revolutions, and crushing economic isolating forces for thousands of years, anchored entirely by the unbreakable spirit of its ordinary families. From the highly educated women driving the modern workforce to the complex psychological games of daily etiquette, this ancient civilization operates on a level of human resilience that most standard media headlines completely fail to capture. It is a place where human beings do not just endure limitations, they creatively master them, turning everyday life into a beautiful strategic art form. If this deep dive into the hidden layers of Iranian society, its stunning street contrasts, and its fascinating traditions completely opened your eyes, make sure to hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next real-world exploration. We want to hear your personal thoughts, so leave a comment down below and tell us which part of this unique Persian reality surprised you the most, or which country you would like us to unpack next. Thank you for staying with us through this incredible journey. Keep supporting the channel, and we will see you all in the very next documentary.